The P-heart is Mommy's heart. Look, the P-heart is somewhere.
Emmett, who are you talking to?
Dada.
Say hi, Dada.
Dada.
No, that's not yours. That's Mommy's.
This man is blocking Mommy.
He better keep moving. He's going to hold up traffic.
Oh, wow. Yeah, this car is blocking. This piece is not let anybody in. Nobody.
That's going to really make traffic heavy.
It's not he's not letting cars move. These cars are listening. Blue's not listening. Tell me to listen. Listen.
Who's not listening? Who's not listening, sweetie?
Blue.
And Blue's driving the police car? Who are you talking to, Emmett?
Dada.
Oh, hi, Dada.
These cars really have to move. Traffic really need. Cause I'm putting a stop sign right here. These stop signs. The stop sign to tell them to stop. When you see a stop sign, you stop.
Okay, that sounds like a good idea.
Who's that?
A car out front, baby.
What is it? Who is it?
I don't know. Someone parking on the street. Emmett.
Mama.
No, it's not yours. Whose is that?
Dada.
No, whose phone is it, though? It's Mommy's phone. Right? Who are you calling?
Dada.
Say hi, Dada. You say, hi, Dada. No, not yours. It's Mommy's.
Mommy.
Yeah, that's Mommy's phone, right?
Yeah.
Emmett keeps telling me it's his.
Mine. It's Mommy. Everybody's Mommy. But you can share Mommy.
That's right. I love to share with you guys. You gonna give it back to me, Emmett?